Hi everybody! Welcome back again sa aming channel, and today it's another day, another vlog, another episode. So it's early in the morning here now in Canada, and as you can see, I just no makeup, I just woke up. But anyway, so today's vlog, so mag-unbox ako kasi nung magising ako kaninang umaga, so there is 2 box sa front door namin, and yeah, we order isa sa mga katuwang ko sa araw-araw dito sa bahay. So umorder kami. So ngayon pa lang kami gagamit nito ng brand na ito. And tingnan natin. So ngayon i-unbox ko muna siya. So let's start. So ito yung mga nakita ko kanina pagbukas ko ng pintuan namin sa harap. Of course, this one. So, tingnan natin kung ano laman. Pero feeling ko, like a movie. Kasi yung husband, yep, it's a movie. Avengers! Yeah, so, ayan. So, oh, kasi yung, ayusin natin ang camera. Ayan. Ayan, so, sorry guys, this camera is giving me a hard time. Anyway, there you go. Yes? Okay, say hi. Hi to the vlog. Hello. Good morning.
Good morning.
Hello. Okay, so
Now you have a big Dyson bag. It's a vacuum cleaner.
okay. Oh yeah, it's a vacuum cleaner.
Because my daddy buy it on Amazon. Ako, mama, papa, mama, buy my vacuum cleaner.
Okay, so let's start to open.
Yes. Opo.
Okay, so we'll open it. Okay, it's ang brand niya is Bissell.
What's that?
So our brand dati is Dyson. Kaya lang yung Dyson namin is medyo matagal na siya at medyo sumusurrender na, so that's why we decided to buy a new one. But
Yes.
ito na siya. We order it
But Amazon.
we order yesterday, and then
But the other one
today
is
it comes
broken.
early in the morning in our front door. So tingnan natin kung maganda siyang gamitin at tingnan natin kung kaya ko siyang i-assemble. Okay, let's open it.
Yes. Yeah.
So ito yung brand niya.
See you in the next one, brother. Vacuum cleaner.
Ayan.
It's on
Bissell, yeah. So,
Today,
ito,
you will open it.
yeah, anak, okay. So, nag-decide kami na ganito kasi medyo nahihirapan ako kasi yung dati naming vacuum cleaner is napakabigat. Nahihirapan ako. Sabi ko, next time, kung bibili tayo, gusto ko yung medyo maano naman,
Can I watch?
magaan. Okay?
Why?
So, we'll open it now.
You can watch our YouTube later, and you can subscribe the thumbs up and click the bell up.
Okay, let me do it, honey.
I'll help you, okay?
Okay, I have a little helper here.
And me too, because I find it so I can help. What's this?
Okay.
Whoa, what's this?
So, tingnan natin kung may kaya kong i-assemble ito. So,
Where does it go?
let's see. Here's the instruction. So, ayan na siya. Napaghiwa-hiwalay ko na. Ito yung mga parts niya. Ayan siya. It's cute though. Ayan. So, let's check the instruction. Let's read it. Okay. Ayan siya. Yung hose niya and everything. So, let's try to... So, tingnan natin kung kaya kong i-fix it. Well, there's a manual naman. Okay, so, first thing first, we have to attach here this hose. So, ito yung hose. Attach natin. Ganun lang po nakahaba yung hose niya. So next is which one? This one. There you go. Ayan siya. And insert. Blah 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 blah. This one. This is this one. Okay, so dito, pwede mo siyang mapahaba, okay. Ayan, pwede mo po siyang mapahaba. Meron siya dito. Pag halimbawa mataas yung lilinitin mo. Halimbawa mga curtain, ito pala, extras. Kung halimbawa ang mga lilinisin mo is mga cortina o yung matataas, pwede mo pala siya dito ilagay. I think, yeah. Dito. Kaya ganun mo siya. And then, kapag halimbawa naman mga sulok-sulok at maliliit na sulok, and then you can use this. Ayan, so ayan yung extra. Dalawa sila. Ayan sila. And then this is also two different types. So I think this one is for the floor, and then you can like may button dito na pwede mong pag halimbawa malaki yung isasak mong dirt or meron siya ditong parang brush sa unahan. Ayan, so ito pag halimbawa floor ang gagamitin mo, or you can use it also pag halimbawa floor mat. Ayan, you can use this. So there's another type. Ito ganun din, kaya lang kaibahan dito ay meron siyang, so parang ito ang panghalimbawa mga sofa, bedsheet, or mga carpet na pang living room, yung mga carpet sa living room, parang ito yung dapat mong gamitin doon. It's so cute kasi may wheel din siya, so you can like like that. Ayan, so you can use it. Here, actually how. Ayan siya. So, there you go. Oops, ayan. Medyo eksian natin. Ayan siya. Ayan. But, of course, ang kailangan kong gamitin ay ito. Kasi mag-try natin i-vacuum siya sa floor. Okay, so ayan siya, na-attach ko na siya. Ayan, medyo mabigat. Well, not so bad like the one we have before. Ayan, so ayan, ready na siya. So tingnan natin kung mag-work. So, i-try natin kung easy siyang gamitin kaysa dun sa dati. ayan, trinay ko na and it works well. Ang easy niyang gamitin kasi mas magaan siya. So I like it. So yeah, I didn't try this one yet, but I will try later. Okay, so that's it for now, guys, and hope you guys like it, subscribe and like our video and share it. Don't forget to like, and sa mga bago pa, please continue watching and subscribe to our channel, and you can share it also to all your friends. Okay, so thank you so much. Hanggang dito na lang muna, and bye bye, see you in the next vlog again.